name is Jim and I'm 13 and I'm here to see the curious incident of the dog in the night time at the Apollo Theatre. I'm really looking forward to it because I read the book and I thought it was a really good book. I'm really wondering how they're going to do some of the diagrams because it contains quite a lot of pictures, and I'm hoping that this is as good as the book and as good as all the critics say. It's halfway through the play, it's currently a half-time break, and so far it's amazing. The way that they bring on Christopher's journey to London, very subtle and very clever. It's stuck really close to the book. In fact, I can probably tell some quotes from the book that I have recognised. We just finished watching the play and I thought it was amazing. The special effects were great, and so was the acting. Overall, I would probably give it a K rating of 10 out of 10.